What up, everybody? It's your boys, Baldy the Push Boy here once again. So today, I'm here again with another video. Today, we are going to be reading Dogman, but with something relaxing to help y'all cheer up if you're upset or angry or any of that. We're also going to be adding some extra sounds in the background. So make sure to enjoy all that because they're going to be streaming right in the background. So yeah, enjoy. I'm sorry about all the noise in the background, guys, but keep enjoying the beautiful remix in the background.